The terms complex and complicated are often used interchangeably, but they actually have distinct meanings and implications. Understanding the difference between complex and complicated is important in various fields, including science, engineering, and problem solving. Let's explore their definitions and differences. Complex. When something is described as complex, it refers to a system, concept, or problem that exhibits intricate relationships, interdependencies, and behaviors. Complex systems are characterized by their nonlinear nature, where small changes can lead to significant and unpredictable outcomes. These systems often involve numerous interconnected components or elements, and their behavior emerges from the interactions among these components. Examples of complex systems include ecosystems, human societies, weather patterns, and biological networks. Key characteristics of complex systems. Emergence. Complex systems exhibit emergent behavior, meaning that the collective interactions of the components result in new and unpredictable properties or phenomena that are not evident when examining the individual components alone. Nonlinearity. Complex systems do not follow linear cause and effect relationships. Instead, their behavior is influenced by feedback loops, nonlinear interactions, and sensitive dependence on initial conditions. Adaptive. Complex systems have the ability to adapt and self-organize in response to changes in their environment or internal conditions. This adaptability allows them to maintain stability or find new patterns or solutions. Complicated. On the other hand, complicated refers to something that is intricate and involves multiple interconnected parts or components. Complicated systems can be understood and analyzed by breaking them down into smaller, simpler parts. Although a complicated system may have numerous components and require specialized knowledge to comprehend, it still follows established rules, laws, or formulas. Examples of complicated systems include intricate machinery, mathematical equations, computer algorithms, and engineering designs. Key characteristics of complicated systems. Hierarchical structure. Complicated systems often have a hierarchical structure with well-defined relationships between different components or layers. Rule-based. Complicated systems are governed by predefined rules, laws, or algorithms that dictate how the components interact and behave. Predictability. Unlike complex systems, complicated systems are more predictable and their outcomes can be determined by following the established rules and principles. In summary, complexity refers to systems with intricate relationships and emergent properties, characterized by nonlinear interactions and adaptability. Complicated systems, on the other hand, involve multiple interconnected parts but can be understood through analysis and by following predefined rules. While complexity and complication share similarities, their distinct characteristics make them applicable in different contexts and require different approaches for understanding and problem solving.